image. To get the path and the name of the image, you need to open that image in any web browser. आपको वो इमेज जो भी आपको चाहिए, आपको वो इमेज अपने एक वेब ब्राउजर में ओपन करनी है, लाइक दिस. अभी मेरे पास ये वेब ब्राउजर मैंने ओपन किया, कंट्रोल ओ, ओपन. It will open dialog box. Now I want to open an image. मैं pictures में जा रही हूँ, मेरे पास जहाँ pictures मेरी है, I'm using any picture and open it. Now when I open my picture in any browser, चाहे वो Chrome है, चाहे वो Internet Explorer है या Microsoft Edge है, when I open any image in a browser, it will give me the address and name of the image in this address bar. So it is easy to get the complete path and the name of the image. Instead of learning it from my computer में जाके उसको learn करने की बजाय, उसको check करने की बजाय कि हाँ कौन से folder में, सब folder में क्या name है, क्या extension है, तो we open the image in browser. It is easy. Then click on this address bar and copy the path. Control C. Copy the path. Now when I copy the path, Control C के साथ मैंने इसको copy कर लिया. Now I can go to the notepad and here where I want to insert the image, img src equals to double quotes, Control V for pasting. Then close the double quotes. Then close the double quotes. Now complete path with name with extension is given. Now this command, this line will insert the image on a web page. ठीक है, बाकी की कोडिंग तो आप करोगे, like we will type HTML, ठीक है, then we can have the head tag, then we can have the body tag, ठीक है, img आ गया. Now complete path is there. Now if I want to give the height and width, I can give here height equals to 300, width equals to 300, border equals to 5. बाकी के जितने एट्रीब्यूट्स आप यूज कर सकते हो, ठीक है. Alt, no image found. This will apply only if the image does not exist. Then close the body tag and then close the HTML tag. Save it. Image.html. Now open it in any browser. Okay, go to the browser, open the web page. See, image has been inserted on the web page. Anji Anand, clear now? How to copy? Open the image in any browser. Open. Find the image that you want to use, जिसका path मुझे copy करना है. Open any image. Then click on the address bar. Copy the path by pressing Ctrl plus C. Go to the notepad. img src equals to within double quotes. Paste the path. Then height, width, border, alt या और भी कोई अगर एट्रीब्यूट आपको देना है, align equals to center, ठीक है. Then save it, go to the browser and refresh it. Yes, Anand, is it clear now? Okay, any other doubt to anyone? Any other doubt in HTML to anyone, so that I can move to the next topic, that is VB. We are going to start revising the VB. हाँ जी, किसी को कोई doubt है HTML में?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, one more thing before moving to the VB. आपको VB करवाने से पहले, VB की revision start करने से पहले, I want to tell you one more thing in HTML. All of you had given the background colors or font colors, right? But we are using the save me, ma'am. But you save the web page as normal web page, like by giving extension .html. Okay, before for giving the color, we always give the color name like red, green, blue, silver. So that means we are having a very limited color names which we can give. But it is not like that. I had given, we can specify the colors in two ways. One way is by using the color name. Second way is by using the color code. तो हमने अभी तक कलर कोड यूज करके नहीं देखा है कि कैसे कलर कोड यूज होता है. So today I'm going to tell you how to use the color code. Okay. So first of all, I'm giving you one file. Suppose I'm opening one new file here. Anji, this new file is visible to everyone. I'm typing here some text using color codes. Okay. Okay. Now color codes can be specified in two ways. One is color code, second is color name. All of you must remember आपने last year कुछ number system किया था, decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Anybody remember that? Yes, Akul, Samiksha. There are four types of number system. Out of those four types of number system, decimal number system is the number system that we daily use, जो हम use करते हैं, in which we can use the digits 0 to 9. We are using any number, कोई भी number use करते हैं, उसके लिए हमें जो digits use करते हैं, that is 0 to 9. चाहे जितना मर्जी बड़ा number हो, we use only these digits. इसके अलावा कोई और digit नहीं है. Now, binary number system, जो computer use करता है, in that number system we are using only two digits 0 and 1. Okay. Similarly, we are having hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system we are having digits 16 digits. Here we were having 10 digits decimal number system mein. Here we were having 2. In hexadecimal number system we are having 16 digits 0 to 9 and A to F. ठीक है. 16 डिजिट्स यानी 0 to 9 तो हो गया. जब 10 को रिप्रेजेंट करना है वी यूज A, जब 11 को रिप्रेजेंट करना है वी यूज B, जब 15 को रिप्रेजेंट करना है वी यूज F. So we are using digits, we are using alphabets to represent those numbers. So in this number system we are having 16. Now जो color codes हम specify करते हैं, those color codes are specified by using this hexadecimal number system. That means in this number system we can give RGB values. Primary colors red, green, blue. 2 digits for R, red color, 2 digits for green, 2 digits for blue. So 2 digits can be your alphabet, can be your number. Suppose I'm giving hash 34 TD55. So that means 34. Yes.
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन पॉज जा रही है जो आपने शेयर की है.
Yes.
Okay. Now now it is.
ये सब आ गई.
Okay. Now 34. 34 is the quantity for red, DD is the quantity for green, and 55 is the quantity for blue. RGB. RGB, 2 digits for red, 2 digits for green, 2 digits for blue. So that means out of these 16 digits, we can use any digit here. I can give, this is a color code for any color. यहाँ अगर मैंने ये टाइप करा, जैसे BG color equals to double quotes में hash के साथ मैंने ये दिया, तो that means it will give the background color with this color. ये कोई ना कोई color का कोड है. Suppose मैंने दे दिया hash के साथ 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it is also a color code. So how to get the color code? अगर आपको लगता है कि आप randomly कोई भी नंबर उठा के दे दो. Suppose मैंने दे दिया AA BB CC, so this is also a color code. It will also give me a color. Now how to check it? देखो, I'm giving you in the notepad. यहाँ पर I'm giving body BG color equals to double quotes hash. This is a color code. Any कोई कलर तो बनेगा इससे. इसमें रेड की क्वांटिटी AA है, 34 is the green quantity, 55 is the blue quantity. Save it, go to the browser and refresh it. See, अगर मैं वहां पे कोई नंबर चेंज कर दूं तो it will give me some different color. Suppose मैं यहाँ पे FF दे रही हूँ. Save it, go to the browser and refresh it. Change. ठीक है, अगर यहाँ पे हम कुछ और चेंज कर रहे हैं, सपोज मैंने यहाँ पे दे दिया ए की जगह 44 C A, save it, go to the browser and refresh it. See, now इस तरह से आप लोग कोई भी रेंडम कलर बना रहे हो, बट आपको नहीं पता कि मेरे कलर कोड से क्या कलर बनेगा. बट इफ यू वांट टू नो कि मुझे कलर कोड पता हो, मुझे ये कलर चाहिए और इस कलर का कलर कोड चाहिए, तो क्या करेंगे? गो टू वर्ड, MS वर्ड जो हम नॉर्मली यूज करते हैं, ठीक है. यू गो टू दिस फॉन्ट कलर ऑप्शन. फॉन्ट कलर ऑप्शन में यू आर हैविंग मोर कलर ऑप्शन, राइट. ये हमने यूज करी हुई है. मोर कलर में you are having custom color. In custom color dialog box, you can see there is an RGB model. Color model is RGB. Red की वैल्यू 0, ग्रीन की वैल्यू 0, ब्लू की वैल्यू 0. एंड नीचे देखो यहाँ पर आ रही है हेक्साडेसिमल वैल्यू. चेक करो, नजर आ रहा है सबको? Now hexadecimal value 0000, 6 times 0 है, 2 zeros for red, 2 zeros for green, 2 zeros for blue. ठीक है, 000 means this is the color code for black. Black. As I move my pointer here, मैं इसको move कर रही हूँ, देखो मेरा hexadecimal value change हो रही है. Change हो रही है. I'm moving it, hexadecimal value change हो रही है. As I move to white, it becomes FFFF. Double F for red, double F for green, double F for blue. So this is a color code for white. You can click anywhere. आप यहाँ पे कोई भी कलर क्लिक करके अपना कलर क्रिएट कर लो कि यस मुझे ये कलर चाहिए. Suppose I want this color. Okay. Now what is the color code for this color? जो ये मेरा भी बना है. This is the color code. Now 486042. You can copy it or you can learn it. Go to the notepad. Give this color code here. ठीक है. Now save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. That color will be applied. Now we are not having color name for this. We are having the color code for this. So color code use करके you can have as many colors as you can make here. आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करके जो जो कलर्स आप बना सकते हो आप यहाँ से चूज कर सकते हो. क्लिक here. ठीक है, चूज करो यहाँ पे कलर लाइट डार्क जो भी शेड्स लेने हैं ले लिया. कलर बन गया. यस मुझे ये कलर चाहिए, मुझे फॉन्ट कलर ये चाहिए. तो फॉन्ट कलर इक्वल्स टू, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग द कलर नेम यूज दिस कलर कोड. कॉपी, गो टू द नोटपैड. ठीक है, गिव द बैकग्राउंड कलर. ठीक है जी, चेक करा. Save it, go to the browser and refresh it. Now see, background color change. Anji, got it? How to give the color codes? How to use the color codes? Yes, Radhika, Rudransh, Prabsharan, is it clear beta how to use the color codes? Any doubt? एट्थ बी क्लास, किसी को कोई डाउट है हाउ टू यूज द कलर कोड्स?
No, ma'am.
हाँ जी, कलर कोड्स क्लियर है सबको? ओके, नंदिनी, मातंगी, शबद. ओके. Next time, whenever you create the web page, now use the color codes. Okay. Now start with the revision for chapter number 8. That is your VB. Take out your rough copies. What is the full form of VB?
Visual Basic.
Visual Basic. Which version of Visual Basic you are using?
2010.
Visual Basic Express 2010. Okay. What is VB? What is VB? Full form बता दी, version बता दिया. What is VB?
Ma'am, it is a programming language used to program the applications.
Correct. Very good. It is a programming language which is used to create the applications, which is used to create the programs. And this language was developed by Microsoft in May 1991. Okay, when VB was developed, write down the questions also. When VB was developed, it was developed in May 1991 by Microsoft. Okay, which company developed VB? Microsoft. In which year? In 1991. Okay. What are the three modes in VB program? What are the
Design, run, break. Design, run,
Design
break.
mode, run mode, break mode.
okay? What are the three modes of program in VB? They are design mode, run mode, break mode. What is the use of design mode? What is the use of design mode?
To insert and create objects.
Design.
To insert and yes, what is the use of design mode? What do we do in the design mode of the VB program? In design mode,
Create
we
objects and
Then
write
we design a
logical
document.
statements.
okay, we design not design the document, we design the application, we design the program, we design the form. Okay, we place the controls, we do the coding. So that is your design mode in which we place the controls on the form, we design the application, we do the coding, we make the changes in the program. So when we design the program, when we place the controls, when we do the coding, we set the properties, that is the design mode. We are creating the program or application in design mode. Okay, run mode. Run
Ma'am,
mode.
we run
To
those
execute
statements.
program.
Execute the statements. When we execute the statement, when the program is in execution, when program is getting executed with the statements which we had written in at the time of design mode, at the time of designing, whatever we had written, that is executed in the run mode. Break mode. Break mode.
And creates an error.
Creates an error. That means it is a pause mode. It program gets paused during execution
That halts
due
its
to some error.
execution.
Due to some error, the program gets paused. Okay, or we can pause it ourselves also. We can click on the pause button to pause the program, to halt the program temporarily. Okay, so that means when the program gets halt or when the program gets paused due to some error or it doesn't give some desired result, then it is in a break mode. Break mode, when the application generates error or does not give the desired result, we halt its execution for removing the errors. Such pause mode is called break mode. Okay. Run mode, when the program statements written during the design time are getting executed, that is in the run mode. That is done by the end user, that means the programmer, the user who is using the program, that is running the program, that is executing the statements. Design mode, in which the designer design the program. Designer write the program, design the application. That is your design mode. Okay. Now, what are the various components of VB window?
Title bar.
Title bar, menu bar,
Solution explorer.
Solution
Toolbar.
explorer,
Bar.
toolbar,
Properties.
Form window.
properties window, code window,
Properties window.
properties
form
window,
window,
code window, form window, title bar, menu bar, toolbar, form window, the form which we design, then properties window in which we set the properties of the
Toolbox
various
tab.
the solution explorer, toolbox, and code window. Okay, so many components are there. What is the title bar? Title bar is displayed at the top of the window, which display the name of the application and name of the current project, as well as 3 control buttons on the right hand side, that is minimize, maximize, and close button. So title bar is present at the top of the window, which display the name of application as well as the name of the project on which you are working. And it also displays 3 buttons on the right hand side: minimize, maximize and close button. Okay. Second one, menu bar. What does the menu bar display? What does the menu bar display? Menu bar contains various menus and sub-menus. And when we click on this pull down menu, it will display the various options which we use to work in VB. Many options are available. All the options are categorized under the various menus. So menu bar display the options. It has the items which gives you access to the various options that we use in VB. Toolbar. What is the toolbar?
Ma'am, toolbar contains icons that give access to frequently used menus.
Menu commands that give access to the frequently used commands. ठीक है, menu जो आपका टूल बार है, that contains the buttons or shortcut icons for accessing the options which are given in menu. Menus में जो options होती हैं, उनमें से जो options हम बहुत ज्यादा या frequently use करते हैं, उनके buttons standard tool bar पे होते हैं. So that कि बार बार मेन्यू में जाकर ऑप्शन फाइंड आउट करने की बजाय we can directly click on the button and that option get executed. ठीक है, तो ऑप्शन टूलबार contains icons that gives access to frequently used menu items. Next is form window. What is a form?
Form is an interface.
Ma'am, form is an interface through which a user interacts with the application.
Okay, yeah, in which the form is an interface with which the user interacts, with the application, through which the user interacts with the application. That means on a form we contain the many controls like labels, text boxes, buttons, calendar option. Then there are list boxes are there, combo boxes are there, check boxes, radio buttons, whatever interface the user or the designer wants to create, that controls are placed on the form. The end user will interact with those controls on the form to interact with the application, to use the application. So form is an interface through which the user interacts with the application. Next is properties window. What do you mean by properties window? What is the use of properties window?
It is used to set properties.
Ma'am, it is used to set properties of forms.
Okay,
and
it
other
is
controls.
used to set the properties of the form and other controls placed on the form. Whatever control we place on a form, its properties can be set by using the properties window. और form की properties भी properties window से set होती है. So property window is used to set the properties of the form and the other controls which we place on the form. Okay, so solution explorer. Solution explorer.
Ma'am, it displays a list of forms and other objects that constitute an application.
Solution explorer display the list of all the objects which we had created in an application. अगर मल्टीपल फॉर्म्स क्रिएट करें, अभी तक आपने जितने एप्लीकेशन बनाए उसमें सिर्फ सिंगल फॉर्म यूज हो रहा है, बट यूजुअली इन एवरी एप्लीकेशन वी डील विद मल्टीपल फॉर्म्स. So many forms are created, many groups of उन forms के अलग से folders बन सकते हैं, group बनाए जा सकते हैं, projects बन सकते हैं, project के अंदर सब projects हो सकते हैं. So all these projects, all these contents which constitute a complete application, they are displayed in the Solution Explorer in a hierarchical format, in a tree format. In a hierarchical format means if we had divided the various forms under the various categories, so they are displayed like this. Like hierarchical form is जैसे आपका Windows Explorer open करते हैं तो हमें folders के अंदर सब folders नजर आते हैं, सब folders के अंदर files नजर आती हैं in tree form, in hierarchical form. In the similar way, we can see the content of the application in a hierarchical form in Solution Explorer. So Solution Explorer window display the list of forms and other objects, whatever objects which we had created in an application. And this list is organized in the form of a branching structure. Branching structure means hierarchical structure or tree form, tree structure, like in Windows Explorer. So if you want to open any object, मुझे एक particular form open करना है, तो double click on that form name. Double click on that form name or double click on that object name in Solution Explorer. Next is toolbox. What is toolbox? What is toolbox?
Toolbox contains various controls.
Various controls. Very good. Toolbox contains various controls such as command buttons, labels, buttons, radio buttons, check boxes, list boxes, combo boxes, shapes, drawing shapes, calendar control, whatever controls you need to place on a form. आपको form के ऊपर place करने के लिए जो भी control चाहिए, all the controls are available in the toolbox. You just have to click on the control and drag it on the form. That control will be placed on a form. Okay, so code window.
It helps
Ma'am,
us to
code
write.
window is used to write the codes for any object.
Correct. Code window is used to write the codes for any object. Whenever we design some controls on the place, some controls on the form, or we place some, we design our application. We just not designing the. We are not just placing the controls. We are doing the coding behind it. How that control should work. How that control should react to the user events. जो click करने पे क्या होना चाहिए, double click करने पे क्या होना चाहिए, अगर user key press करता है तो क्या होना चाहिए, अगर user ने कोई value type करी है तो वो कहाँ store होनी चाहिए. So whatever controls we had placed and all the coding behind those controls is done in the code window. All the coding behind those controls is done within the code window. Code window. So in VB, we are having one design window in which we design the form, code window in which we type the coding for that particular control. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Questions clear है सबको? Components के meaning clear है? Okay, name the various high-level languages. Name the various.
Java,
Ma'am, JavaScript,
Okay.
C++, Python,
Python.
Python,
Okay.
C++.
Visual Basic. Okay. Visual Basic 2017 is the latest version of VB launched by Microsoft in 2017. That is just according to the book. Okay. VB 2017 is bundled together with other Microsoft programming languages. And these languages are C#, C++, F#, JavaScript, Python, and more in a package called Visual Studio Community 2017 Release Candidate. So if the question can be, what are the various Microsoft programming languages are bundled in Visual Basic 2017 version? 2017 वर्जन के अंदर कौन कौन सी बाकी की लैंग्वेजेस का बंडल और पैकेज क्रिएट किया गया. सो द वेरियस लैंग्वेजेस आर C#, C++, F#, JavaScript, Python. Underline page number 87. What are the various high-level languages are bundled in VB 2017 version? ठीक है, कौन कौन सी है? C++, C#,
Java,
Python,
C++, then we are having C#,
Ma'am, JavaScript नहीं है?
F#, ठीक है, then we are having JavaScript, and then Python. ठीक है? Okay, next question. What is the full form of PHP?
Hypertext
Processor.
Hypertext processor. What is the full form of PHP? Hypertext processor. Okay, what is the full form of PHP? Hypertext processor. Okay, next question. VB is based on which language?
Programming language.
No, which language? Which programming language?
Java.
No. VB is based on which language? जो पुरानी एक कौन सी language है जिसके ऊपर VB based है? किसका version है ये? Advanced version of which language? सोचो, आपने की हुई है. 6th में कौन सी language करी थी? Full form क्या है VB की? इतने सारे hints दे दिए मैंने आपको.
Ma'am, Visual Basic.
Visual Basic is the
Ma'am,
advanced
basic
version of
language.
basic language, right? You had done the basic language in 6th class. ठीक है, full form बता रही है. Basic के version जब हमने किए थे, what are the various versions of basic language? Q basic, GW basic, VB, Visual Basic. So VB is an advanced version of basic language. So whatever statements you could use in basic language, those statements can be used in basic VB also, because it is based on that language. Okay? Hanji, clear hai beta?
Ma'am.
Okay, we will
Yes, ma'am.
continue with the revision of this chapter in the next week also. Okay?